An FAA report that a military helicopter and a regional jet have collided near Reagan National Airport, and it looks to appear that that crash took place over the Potomac. We go back to our own Chad Pergram is on the phone. He's on the scene. Chad, what do you have?
Yeah, we've been told that all of the all the water rescue boats from anywhere in the area have been dispatched to this area. And they're trying to figure out a potential casualty point at this stage, where to collect, God forbid if there are, in fact, bodies in the water and things like that. But that's been the number one key here. Again, it's amazing where I'm standing because we're not that far from the airport. And when you would fly in, you would go right past this point. This is south of the airport. South of the runway. It seems like everything is a little bit more on the other side of the river, on the Maryland side of the river or the D.C. side of the river here. I'm on the Virginia side right now, but they've also gotten as many helicopter rescue helicopters from local police departments and rescue units as from the entire region into the air as possible. But they're really still trying to piece this together. And the fact that this is at night it doesn't make it any easier, and that's where Mark Meredith was talking.
Yeah, we have part of it. All the things have to get out there.
Operations everything here. See if it is over the National Hospital. Thank you, over to the DC Veterans Affairs, Madam Sir.
Coming in as fast as operating.
Dispatch to SWAT 2. I'm going to go ahead and aircraft.
I'm going to give you areas for qualifying fireboat 6. You got what we got fireboat 6 qualifying.
Command to follow.
Did you see that? X476. American 3130, go around.